importance of the brand to the customer and to the manufacturer. After that, what is brand equity? What is the importance for the brand equity to the manager, brand challenges and different type of the brand opportunities. And from here, firstly is what represent a brand. As guys, if I said brand, what do you think? What is brand? What should be come in the mind of you about the brand? If I said brand, then what do you think about brand?
Product.
Service.
So, brand is also known as identity, symbol, mark, logo, which you represent in your mind. When I ask about anything about the brand, then you automatically, one pick of your brand could represent in your mind. You say that it's a brand, it's your vision, it's their service, it's their conditions, it's a brand. So, Flight Centre is a brand. If I talk about Flight Centre, it will automatically reflect in your mind that red color, and their travel agency is a travel agency, so you can also recognize as a brand automatically. So a brand, a good brand is that which represent its identity, and for that it's a public association of the company. Like it means that if the public, it represent on the public minds, public perceptions, public experience. And after that, what is the relationship of brand with the product? A product is totally depend on the brand. As we know that in today's world, it is a digital world, everyone is rely on the brand. So there is a huge difference between the branded product as well as non-branded products. If we talk about the branded product, customers are ready to pay higher for the brand, as they know that the product has a brand, then it should be a good quality, good service, good method, and good identity. So without seeing it, without realizing it, customer can also has an image in their mind. So product has important for the brand as important for the products. So both are connected to each other. As a Flight Centre, when we're talking about Flight Centre, then it's all about its service, it's all about its offers, it's all about its online presentation. So for a Flight Centre, for a travel agency, Flight Centre is a brand for its service. And after that, importance of brand to the customer. Because as a customer, we have very importance for brand. Firstly, a brand gives us a peace of mind. Peace of mind means that if there is a mentality of me that if I am going to purchase any branded product, then it will give me a peace of mind. Like it give me a satisfaction service, it give me a satisfaction condition, products as a quality and security. Always, every brand has a quality. So there is no chance that if any brand had a quality. If a customer pay high, they know they are paying for quality. Firstly, they pay high, but it should be a long time, long life. As a help in quick decision making, if I ask about Flight Centre, Skyscanner, and any other competitor, if customers are going to compare their products, their service, their conditions, their rules and regulation, terms and conditions, they mostly click for the Flight Centre, as Flight Centre has a huge of difference between them. So it's help in decision making. So customer can take a high level of decision as a quick decision without wasting of their brand. Brand to consumer to share the information. It means if a customer has a good experience with the brand, they will automatically share it to the another person. They will happy to pay it, and they were happy to share the information with each other. And add value in lifestyle. It means if we wear any branded thing, any branded product, then it will increase their lifestyles. They think as a social status. So in today's life, social status plays an important role in our life. And after that, importance of brand to manufacturer. As an organizer, as a manufacturer, there are the many benefits of the brand. Firstly, it provides the customer loyalty. As a Flight Centre, if it's provide good quality of service, good quality of offers, it bring the customer loyalty. Because if a customer has satisfied with the service, he will again and again purchase their service, hiring their service, booking fees, and they are ready to pay, so that it brings the customer loyalty. Brand equity. Brand equity also relies on customer loyalty. Higher the customer loyalty, higher the equity. And profit maximization, it will automatically depend on the brand. Higher the brand value, there is a higher profit maximization. Value for the organization. If a brand is high in the market, there is a higher share value, then it will always increase the value of the organization. There is a high difference between the brand and the other competitor, so brand has a higher value. As a competition, as earlier I said, it can easily compete its competitor, it can easily higher up the market share. So a brand helps the manufacturer to increase the shares in the market, as well as helps the brand manager to compete with this competitor. After that, I'm going to represent about brand equity. What is brand equity? Brand equity is the value of the product and service. Higher the brand equity, higher the value of the product. As earlier I said, brand equity depends on the customer loyalty. How many customers you are keeping with you, you have a higher brand equity. So Flight Centre has a higher level of brand equity, brand awareness, brand loyalty, as well as the brand perceptions. Brand equity also depend upon the perception. Whether a customer has a negative brand equity, then it's a negative perception, then it's a negative brand equity. If it has a positive, then it's a positive brand. So brand equity plays an important role in the life of any organizations. And what does a brand equity to manager? How is it important for the manager? For the brand equity, it creates awareness. Higher the brand equity, higher the product is aware in the market, higher level of customers are available. They know what is the brand, what is its quality. As a Flight Centre, they do. It's a flight service. They provide different type of offers. They provide different of packages. As a quality, as earlier I said, every brand has a quality. So profit maximization identity. Brand equity also has a different identity. As every brand, every organization, there is need to have identity in the market structure, in the marketing environment. And as with the brand equity, a manager has a different image. They are shown as a different as compared to his competitor. They are shown as a different as compared to his other brands. So loyalty, as customers has a higher loyalty with the brand equity. So it brings many importance to the manager for a brand equity, and the mainly managers focus for on the brand equity. After that, here is the topic about the different type of the brand challenges as well as for the opportunities. As I have a brand, as a Flight Centre is a brand, it also faces some time of challenges, some time of opportunities. And for the challenges, first challenge for the Flight Centre is for investment. As due to COVID-19, there is a difference in their service, as they have to make more investment for the promotions, for the advertisement. So in order to, but as compared to investment, is they keep the lower level of customers with that. So it is depend huge on investments. So they have to invest the more money as compared to for its profits, and maintain identity reputation for this. Any problem, any issue with the brand, with the service, creates a higher on the reputation. If the reputation is go down, then the brand will automatically go down. For a fitting culture, as for a culture, here I'm going to talk about at the international level, because at the international level, culture is different. There is a different in mind of the customers, demand, requirements. So it is not easy for a brand to fit in different type of cultures. For fitting the culture, they have to firstly market research, they have to invest money, they have to take information about the customers. Communication. For the communication, a brand has to continuously contact with its customer. A brand has to continuously contact with its employees. Competition, if there is a hard competition in the market, so it is not easy for a brand to stay in it. And for the brand opportunities, if I'm talking about the Flight Centre, Flight Centre has different type of the brand opportunities. First brand opportunity is that it will has a partnership with that. If as a Flight Centre, I am a partnership with that. Partnership, so I can easily able to cover this partnership. Different type of long-term stability, different type of more customers. So these are the different type of opportunities for the Flight Centre. And now I'm going to information. Thank you.
ਸਾਹਿਬ
ਇੱਕੋ ਸਾਲ ਹੈ
ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਪਰ ਦੀਗਾ
ਟਾਈਮ ਸੇ
ਤੇ ਕੱਟ ਗਈ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਕੱਟ ਗਈ